Hi, I'm Ryan with Burley, and this is our Honeybee Kid Bike Trailer. The Honeybee offers a perfect combination of value, versatility, and safety. Ideal for family adventures, the Honeybee provides a lightweight, seamless solution for families looking for a kid bike trailer with strolling capabilities. The Honeybee has seating for 1 or 2 children and a weight capacity of 100 pounds. Ready to bike or stroll out of the box, the Honeybee comes included with a one-wheel stroller kit, making the transition from biking to strolling a breeze. Simply pull down on the wheel to easily switch between modes. Now let's get into some of the product features. First, we have a fully adjustable handlebar. When biking, it folds forward to serve as an additional roll bar. The 2-in-1 water-resistant cover is a 600D polyester fabric which provides added protection in wet conditions. For warm summer days, maximize ventilation by rolling up the front window and securing using the Velcro straps. The Honeybee's tinted windows have a UPF 50+ rating. Reflective piping makes the trailer more visible at night, and light loops at the rear of the trailer provide quick attachment points for lights. The Honeybee comes equipped with hammock-style seating that provides passive suspension for passengers and has an integrated 5-point harness system that can be easily adjusted up and down to accommodate your child as they grow. Between the shoulder straps, you'll see some loose mesh. This is the helmet pocket. Its added space allows your child to ride more comfortable. Next to the seat are several pockets for snacks and toys. For easy loading and unloading, the Honeybee includes a splash guard. At the rear of the trailer is a large storage space, offering ample room for any cargo you'll need on the go. At the back of the Honeybee, there is a hub and gauge parking brake for use when strolling. Its push-button wheels are easy to remove and install, and the Honeybee's fold-flat design provides you with a compact storage solution. Simply pull on the 2 tabs at the rear to fold flat. Enjoy the freedom to go more places by bike or strolling with your little ones in the Burley Honeybee.
With room for up to 2 children plus cargo and a total weight capacity of 100 pounds, the Model A and Model T trailers make family outings into an adventure. 5-point harnesses keep the kids secure and safely inside the trailer. Mesh screens keep the bugs at bay while providing shade and ventilation during the heat of the day. A stowable plastic cover comes in handy during inclement weather conditions. Robust nylon panels for extra durability combined with high visibility colors, reflective features, integrated reflectors, and loops to secure lights make you and your family extra visible for oncoming traffic. Convenient pockets for the kids' drinks or toys provides an extra measure of comfort, while additional trunk space helps you manage all the other minutiae of parenthood. Both models live dual-function lives, acting as both a trailer and a stroller. They include a removable stroller handlebar and a convenient swingable tow bar that stows and locks under the frame. The Model T's short wheelbase is designed specifically to handle the extremes of maneuverability. Need to make a quick getaway? No problem. Both models fold flat to fit in nearly any vehicle, with easy-to-remove wheels and a few simple steps to get you on your way.
Ryan with Burley here. Today I'm excited to talk with you about Burley's trailer cycles, the Kazoo and Piccolo. A trailer cycle is the next step on your child's journey to riding on their own. Little ones love feeling like a big kid as they pedal along behind you, and you'll love knowing they are safely connected to your bike. Burley's trailer cycle line includes the single-speed Kazoo and the 7-speed Piccolo. The single-speed Kazoo is great for kids looking to pedal along behind their parents' bike. The 7-speed Piccolo is perfect for kids who are ready to learn how to shift gears and looking forward to riding on their own. Both the Kazoo and Piccolo have a recommended age of 4 to 10 years and a weight capacity of 85 pounds. Key features of the Kazoo and Piccolo include an included moose rack that comes in the box with both trailer cycles. The moose rack is how the trailer cycle connects to the bike and is great for carrying cargo when the trailer cycle is not in use. Burley's patented aluminum ball-bearing guided hitch offers superior stability on your ride. An adjustable seat easily raises and lowers to accommodate a growing child. And an included mud flap helps keep your child dry while riding in inclement weather. When your kiddo is too big for a bike trailer, but not quite ready for long rides on their own bike, the Burley Kazoo and Piccolo are a perfect fit.